What up, guys? CP the Tool Addict. Woo! We've got the flyer number 5 from Matco. Good from 224 to 317. 2024. That's right. We got the big flyer here. We got a couple new tools I promise you we're going to talk about here that just came out, just released, and I missed the ones last time, so we're going to jump them into this one. But, and I'm also going to show you the two different flyers kind of mixed up here from different regions. So, let's get into the video. Alrighty, we've got the big, bad hammer, the Matco. I do own this hammer, and I gotta say, it is a beast. Not quite the trigger control that I absolutely love, but it is a hammer. $446 is also a pretty decent price for this hammer. So, if you want something that beats the hell out of crap, and I do like the handle on it, the little plastic handle up there. You know, sometimes the air gets really cold on your hands or whatnot. Hey, works good. You can call me sissy hands all you want, but you know what? I beat my hands up, blew tendons out in them. I'm not missing any sleep over it. So, and let's show you the difference between the cover. So the flyer differences aren't really that big this month. There was a couple different tools on the different pages, but this is regions 13, 18. The other one's the other region. $636 for some torque wrenches. The flex head multi-tool convenience drive, 25 to 250 foot-pounds torque wrench with angle measurement. Other than that, there wasn't that much of a big deal. But anyways, here's the torque wrenches. They have the tools on different pages. They're just set up differently for different regions. $125.95, 7-piece quarter-inch universal hex 6-inch long extension bit drivers. Pretty sweet deal. Definitely want to get those. I love those things. I have those. We got some ADV sockets here. The inverted Torx and the Torx 156 and 8355. We have some ratchets. My go-to ratchets. 88 tooth ratchets are on sale. $245 for the 3.5-inch drive. 20 and a quarter-inch long locking flex head ergo handle. The 3/8 fixed head, $141, and then your chrome handle ones, $124, 100-tooth swivel head ratchet, and the 1/2-inch drive swivel head ratchet, $124, $140, as I said, $130 for the 3/8 drive fixed chrome handle. Moving right along here, we've got some wrench deals. We got the Silver Eagle, $415.95. You know, just the old 101-piece set. Down here, we've got a slip joint plier set. These are only available through Napa, Carlisle, and Matco now. Then Channel Lock has discontinued these, and I think Apex is now making these only, so no longer USA made. So if you have an old set of Matco ones. Now, I've been wanting to get a set of these for a while, and these are on a great deal right now, $113.50. I will say the Carlisle ones are at $83 on Napa, so there must be a deal going on with these recently. It's funny how I see Carlisle come up with deals, I see Matco come out with the same stuff. I don't know if you guys noticed that, but I happen to. Then we have a 6-piece XL double box wrench set, deep box, double box, $171 and $147 for the 7-piece SAE 30 to 60 degree angle 4-way wrenches. We got some 9-piece roll pin punch set, $162.95, and there's some different wrench deals from the other region. We got some Infinium cordless tools. We got some freebies. Get a free battery. We got a 552 for the 20-volt 3/8 brushless, and then $697 for the Bruiser 20-volt Infinium high performance impact in the burgundy. Then we have the flex head 1/2-inch drive dual angle pneumatic impact wrench, which I love mine. 360/50 definitely comes in handy. Gotta tell you, not a bad gig. And then we have the 16-volt Infinium 1/4-inch drive, little feller, $495. Get yourself a free 2.0 battery. So I'm guessing it comes with one and the charger. When you buy one of these impact kits below, it says kit. I assume that's one battery and charger, so you get 2 batteries with it. A value of $91. Next, we have the foam creeper mat, which I love these things. Guys, I gotta tell you, they're just handy to have. You throw them over the fender to keep from scratching stuff. Put them on the hood of the car. Beat them up. $57. The ones I have been lifetime warranted. I haven't had anybody deny me, but I haven't ruined them yet. So, definitely worth the money to have. Put them on the ground. Get on your knees. I can tell you from my beat-up old knees, I wished I would have used these when I was younger. You young guys, I'm telling you right now, some things, you got to play sports and then you work on cars, and having one of these mats around, invaluable. Silver Eagle, heavy duty, padded mechanic creeper with fixed headrest, $111. We've got power cleaner, waterless hand cleaner, new, $55. And then we have a 300-pound capacity adjustable tractor seat chair. Moving right along, we have some hammers and body dollies, multi-dolly. $49.50 for the 4-pounder, 2.5-pounder for $42.50. The multi-dollies, these guys are a little handy. I'd like to get one of these. $37.95, $54.95. Then we have a body molding trim tool for $38.95. Get jacked, $4.94 for the Matco Tools jack. Maximum height, 21 inches. Minimum height, 3 1/4. We got some crayons, new crayons, and new color options. New color options. So it looks like we have a silver, a white, a silver, green, orange, a dark gray. What are the colors called here? Military Crescent Tactical Black. Military Green Tactical Black, sorry. Supercharged Silver Purple. Black Vein Purple. Talon Orange. Pale Horse White. Thunderstorm Gray, and Supercharged Silver. Military Green, a lot of trim colors there. You guys, 4S, whatever. We're not going to get too crazy on those. Ain't nobody buying toolboxes right now, and the way I hear complaints about money, just saying. We have some terminal tools. I don't really like these terminal tools. $75.95. There's a kit that I bought from CTA that I really like a lot better, and it's cheaper. I will leave a link in it for the description. I put it on several videos. I have never done a video on it. Maybe one of these days I will. I got a snap-on set, and I have that set, and really, they do the job for me. I don't like these things because if you slip, you poke yourself in the freaking hand. They just, in my opinion, they suck. I don't like them. If you guys do, let me know in the comment box. Master Harmonic Balancer Installer, $164.95. Verta Spectrum Anti-Fog Gray Lenses, $18.50 for some safety goggles. We got the multi-application funnel set, which happens to be a Lyle rebrand, $118.95. We got some Coates lifts. Look at them big dogs right there. Symmetrical 12 and 10,000-pound lift. And then the 6,000-pound mid-rise. Don't sleep on those mid-rises, guys. They're handy. They keep it so you can get the doors. See, like I said, these flyers have the same deals. Here's the torch right here, $94.95. That was on the other flyer page. So all these, they have the same tools. They're just in different locations. I looked at them and I was like, well, there's really not much difference. We got a 51-piece threading tap and die set, $183.50, which is a Lang rebrand, USA made. Master inline flaring tool, $113.95. We got a digital tire inflator, $118.95, and some 3-piece thread file restore sets, $55.95. Usually when you buy the thread kits, you get those, so not really sure why I have those on there. Milwaukee Tools. We got some Milwaukee Tools here. What are we getting free? Well, I'm always looking for the free stuff. We get a free battery, free grinder, free lights. Get some more free lights up there. Yeah, a lot of grinders for sale today. You can pause the video, take a look. I don't think anybody gets too excited about it. I never hear it in the comment section. Moving right along, we got some Tool Aid. Rebranded, $71.50 for those probes. This is 19-piece backprint probes, inline assemblies. Guys, no, those are actually Thextons. That's a Thexton kit. Must be a Matco exclusive. I can tell that's a Thexton because the angle and the way those rubbers are on there. So that is USA made. Thexton's out of Minnesota. They make great tools. $71.50 is probably probably a little bit high, but I'd imagine that might be a custom kit. I'll have to look into that. But 12-volt conductance battery tester, $246. Power probe temperature kit. These things came out $52.50. I have one, both probes. Got to tell you, not a fan. I ended up buying the Snap-on one. I was a lot happier. I do like the 2 probes, so that way you can check because you need to check both vents now with dual, your dual blend doors and whatnot. But this screen, it sucks. It seems like it goes out and it's hard to read. Batteries go dead in it a lot. I wish they would have made it rechargeable, man. Just eats 9 volts. That hasn't been my favorite tool. I'll just be honest with you. Engineers, don't waste your money. Buy the stethoscope. That is a Lyle rebrand right there. And it has a magnetic holder on it, which those are really handy. Pretty awesome tool, to be honest with you. Transmission engine oil pressure tester, 11750, guys. You guys know, checking that pressure on that engine oil, sometimes that's the way to diagnose it. Can't rely on the gauges, can't rely on a lot of things, and just get down there and get the good old analog out there. Check her out. We got some digital smoke machines, $11.49, $16.99, and the smoke fluid for $33. Those are red line rebrands out of California. We got the Maximus Android code reader. Those are awesome smoke machines. There's really not much competition for them, to be honest with you. They pretty much, if you're looking for the best smoke machines, Redlines are pretty much the top of the line. Maximus Android code reader, $369. We got $7.99 for the Maximus diagnostic scan tool, $7.99. We got some Matco apparel. The women's, the men's Matco tools jersey. It looks like a motocross jersey. Kind of ridiculous, but we got a gut hook knife, $59.95. Digital readout meat and thermometer. Well, because you want to check your meat while you're working on your car. We got some Raycons. Raycons now are Matco. Today's video is sponsored by Raycon. How many of you guys watch this videos? Today's video is sponsored by Raycon. I love my Raycons. They're so amazing. I have never had a set, but no. Horseshoe set, $219.95. Good old horseshoes. Summertime's coming, boys. Can't beat the horseshoes. Then we have the Master Cooling Pressure Tester Kit, which I own and I love. Very solid kit. Absolutely. Matco customer, El Paso, Texas. I love that kit. It's actually a Master Cool rebrand. And I got a smoking deal on the Matco truck. They had them on sale. So I'm pretty happy with that. But I think I paid like $279. So that's inflation for you. We got some Oakley prisms, the sailless ejector, and its fuel cell. But let's get into what Matco has released, and the Matco Expo has been going on. Let's check it out. So Matco has came out with the everyday carry folding clip lifter tool. Obviously, you can see for $41.95. What's it do? Well, it folds out into a pocket clip. She just flips right out. And there you go. You got a trim pocket clip tool. Look at that. Look at there. Do I hate it? Absolutely not. I kind of like it. $42? I think $30 would have been a better deal. But kind of an interesting story that I'll be able to tell you guys someday about this. That was pretty funny because, yeah, it just really is. But let's look at what else we got. Matco is releasing some teal tools. Sea green, I don't know. Some colors, they've been out before. I know Snap-on had these before a long time ago. Mac had them. They were never really that popular. There might be some guys that like them, and I'm sure there will be, because there's always people that like different colors, but it's like a seafoam green or something like that. They're releasing a whole bunch of these. They've been floating around. Kind of, whatever. Last but not least, extra long ratcheting flex head oxygen sensor wrench. 16 inches long, 72 tooth. I've gotten flashbacks of Tribus tools. If you've been around the tool community, or the tool world, I should say, long enough, you know that Tribus tools came out with these, and they folded shop and then became Movable Tool Network. And these do have a flare nut end on them, so I guess they won't be all as bad. But I actually found that Pro Tool out of Japan was actually making these. Yeah, Pro Auto, I believe is the name. Out of Japan, maybe Taiwan, something like that. But very similar. They had the flare nut on the end. Of them. Looked very similar. So I guess we'll have to wait and see. They're going to lifetime warranty them. Maybe these will be okay, but they're not a tool that I highly recommend. I'll tell you, you get jammed up with one of those and they can make a bad day worse real quick. So anyways, guys, new Tool Tuesday with Matco. Remember, like, comment, share, subscribe, ring that bell. Remember, keep your hands dirty and your money clean. Thanks for watching.